In the bull meat industry, early morning grazing helps bulls grow strong and healthy for meat production. Hydration is crucial in the bull meat industry to maintain bulls' strength and quality.
Routine health checks in the bull meat industry ensure every bull is fit for premium beef.
Balanced nutrition in the bull meat industry supports optimal growth and meat quality.
Bulls in the bull meat industry are organized by age and size to optimize feeding and growth.
In the bull meat industry, the calf stage is essential to lay the foundation for high-quality beef. Preventive health care in the bull meat industry keeps bulls healthy and safe for meat production.
Exercise is vital in the bull meat industry for muscle development and premium beef quality.
In the bull meat industry, technology ensures precise feeding for consistent growth. Attention to detail in the bull meat industry guarantees the best beef quality. Healthy pastures in the bull meat industry provide nutrition that directly impacts meat quality.
Hydration management in the bull meat industry is essential throughout the bull's life.
Digital health tracking in the bull meat industry ensures optimal growth and safety. Supplements in the bull meat industry help produce stronger bulls and premium beef.
Rest is an important part of the bull meat industry to maintain healthy metabolism and muscle.
In the bull meat industry, calm handling prepares bulls for safe transportation to processing facilities.
Transportation in the bull meat industry follows strict safety and hygiene protocols.
In the bull meat industry, transport is monitored to reduce stress and preserve meat quality.
Arrival at the processing plant is a key stage in the bull meat industry journey.
Humane handling is mandatory in the bull meat industry for safe and ethical meat production. Every step is monitored in the bull meat industry to ensure welfare and meat integrity. Calm and careful guidance is standard in the bull meat industry to reduce stress.
Holding pens in the bull meat industry provide secure and calm spaces before processing.
Health checks in the bull meat industry ensure only fit bulls proceed to processing.
Sanitation is crucial in the bull meat industry to maintain safe beef quality.
Preparation in the bull meat industry includes controlled chilling and hygiene processes.
Precision technology in the bull meat industry streamlines processing and ensures safety.
The bull meat industry relies on automated belts to efficiently process meat. Quality inspections in the bull meat industry guarantee premium beef for consumers. Portioning in the bull meat industry is done according to strict quality standards.
Trimming and cleaning are critical steps in the bull meat industry for hygiene and presentation.
Continuous inspections in the bull meat industry ensure only top-quality beef moves forward. Efficient unloading in the bull meat industry preserves meat quality and freshness. Proper chilling in the bull meat industry preserves freshness and safety.
Labels in the bull meat industry provide traceability and information for each beef portion.
Automation in the bull meat industry ensures efficiency and consistency.
Modern machinery in the bull meat industry guarantees hygienic meat processing. Packaging in the bull meat industry ensures clean and safe delivery to consumers.
Cold storage in the bull meat industry preserves quality until distribution.
Cold storage in the bull meat industry preserves quality until distribution.
Logistics in the bull meat industry prepare meat for safe delivery to markets.
Transportation in the bull meat industry follows strict temperature-controlled standards.
Beef reaches distribution centers, ready to enter the bull meat industry supply chain.
Retail display in the bull meat industry ensures beef is presented safely and attractively.
High-quality beef in the bull meat industry is now ready for consumers.
From farm to store, every step in the bull meat industry is carefully managed.
Consumers select beef from the bull meat industry that meets safety and freshness standards.
Modern delivery systems bring bull meat industry beef directly to customers' homes.
Attention to detail in the bull meat industry determines the quality of the final product.